Hi, welcome to the course, The F Statistic. The F statistic tells us, is there a relationship between the outcome and the input variables? Sometimes we understand that a specific input variable or a set of input variables are the responsibility for predicting the outcome variable. For example, the engine size of the car is responsible for the price of the car. Sometimes, if we have the business knowledge, it is easy for us to understand that this particular input variable, like engine size, will be a deciding factor for the output variable called like the price of the car. In that case, it is fine, but what if we are not the domain expert and we are not sure that this set of input variables is the deciding factor for the output variable or not? It can be tested by computing F statistic. The p-value of F statistic can be used to determine if there is any relationship between the input variable and outcome. Whenever we run multiple linear regression, it gives the F statistics value of the model and the p-value. The p-value must be checked against the threshold. It can be either 0.01 or 0.05 as per the requirement. Generally, it is 0.05. Then we will see if there is a relationship between the input variable and the outcome or not. If there is a relationship, then we will check the p-value of each input variable to identify which of the variables are significantly related. Thanks a lot. In the next session, I will show you the practical aspect of this, and I will show you how F statistic can be useful in deciding if the input variables are really useful or not. Thanks.